Good morning, dear students. Myself, TC Pandey from DPS Advani Lamachod. So, students, we have started surface area and volume chapter. And exercise 13.1 we have started. So, students, now 4 or 5 questions we have done already. So, I am starting the new one question. I think fourth question we have completed. So, student, I am starting now fifth question. So, exercise 13.1, fifth question is this one, student. Now in question number 5, student, a cubical box has edges given that 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. So students, the edge of cube is given that edge of cube is given that 10 centimeter. So student, in this question what we have to find? In this question that we have to find that which box has the greatest lateral surface area and by how much? And the second part, which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? Means, so student, we have to find the lateral surface area and the total surface area of both the boxes. So first box is of cuboidal box, cubical box. So we can find the lateral surface area of the cube. So lateral surface area of cube. So student, the lateral surface area of cube means, student, we have to remove the base and the top. So if we will remove the base and the top, that is called this is called lateral surface area. So students, we have written that in total surface area we have written 6a square is the formula. So we have to remove the area of the base and area of the top. So if we will remove minus 2a square, what will be the answer of lateral surface area? This will be 4a square. So student, we can write it, lateral surface area of the cube is 4a square. So we can write it like this, 4a square. So we can put it here, 4 into 10 square, that is 400 centimeter square. So the lateral surface area of the cube is coming, student, this one. And then after, in second question, which box has the smaller total surface area also? So we can find the total surface area also, TSA of cube is equal to, that is 6a square. This will come 16 to 10 square, that is 600 centimeter square. So student, this we have found that. Now in the second one, the edges of a cube is also, cuboidal box is also given. So we can write it, the length of the cuboidal box. In cuboidal box, L is given that, student, 12.5 centimeter. B is given that 10 centimeter, and by how much means, and the last one is given that 8 centimeter high. So H is equal to 8 centimeter. So student, we have to find again the lateral surface area of the cuboidal box and the total surface area of the cuboidal box. So LSA of cuboidal box means, student, I have told you in the last video that area of 4 walls means, this is called lateral surface area also, means area of 4 walls, means area of 4 walls we have written it that 2L plus B into H, means total surface area minus base and the top. So we can find it easily, 2 into this is coming 12.5, this is second part is 12.5 centimeter. I have written it here 12.5 12.5 plus 10 into 8, that is coming, student, 12 and 10, 22, 22.5, 22.5 into 2, it will be 45, 45 into 8, 8 5 ja 40, 8 4 ja 32 and 4, 36, 360 centimeter square. So student, now this is coming 360 centimeter square. Now we have to find TSA of cuboid. TSA, how we can find? TSA is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. We can write it. So we can put it here, LB. What is the value of L here? L is 12.5 into 10 plus BH 10 into 8 plus HL 12.5 into 8. So we have to solve this one question. 125 plus 80 plus 8 5 ja 40 12 8 is 96 and 1 10 100. So it is coming like this, student. 100 plus 125 is 225. 225 plus 80 is equal to, we have to calculate it here, 305 into 2. 2 5 is 10. 2 0 plus 0 1. 2 3 is 6. So students, this is coming 610 centimeter square. We can calculate it again. 12.5 plus 80 plus 100. So, right. This is coming to 610 centimeter square. Now student, in this question what we have to find? We have to find that in first part, which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? Which box has the greater lateral surface area? So the cubical box lateral surface area is 400 and the cuboidal box lateral surface area is 360 centimeter square. So for the first part we can write cubical surface area is greater than cuboidal. And by student how much? How much we can write it? 400 minus 360, that is coming 40 centimeter square. Similarly in second part what we have to find? Second part, which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? Which box has the smaller total surface area? TSA 610, it is coming 600. So cube is less than cuboidal box. And by how much we can write it? 610 minus 600, that is 10 centimeter square. So the students, two answers are coming. First one is cubical is greater than cuboidal, 400 minus 360, that is coming 40 centimeter square. And in second one, cube is less than cuboidal, that is coming 610 minus 600 centimeter square. So student, we can do it like this. So this question we have completed now. Now after this we will do the next question. So student, pause the video and note it down. Now so students, you can do question number 6 and question number 7, you can do it yourself. If you have any confusion you can ask me, I will tell you later. So now student, I am starting the question number 8. Question number 8 is the last one of this exercise. Last question is this exercise. So 8th question is that Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car. Means Praveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car. Like this. Suppose this is the shelter. This is the shelter of a car. And by making a box like structure, means this is a student 3D type of structure. So with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car, means the cover is like this, means all the four sides it is covering, means 1 2 3 4 and top also, but base is not covered. With the front face of as a flap which can be rolled up, means front face is like this, this is in the flap form, we can roll up and we can take out the car from the garage. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, means stitching margin means that one is जो चीज उनने सिली होगी, that is negligible. And how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimensions 4 meter and 3 meter. So students, now question number, this one is question number 8. We can write it base dimension is equal to base dimension is given that student 4 meter into 3 meter and the height is given that height of shelter is given that student 2.5 meter. Now students, all sides are covered, means 1 2 3 and 4 sides are covered, but base is means roof is also covered, but only base is left. So we have to find the area of this one. So student, how we can find it? We can find it with the help of this one, that we have to find the surface area of the shelter. So we can write it surface area of the shelter. Surface area of the shelter. So student, how we can find the surface area of the shelter? That is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL minus. So student, we can write it 2LB plus BH plus HL minus LB. Now we have to solve this one. This is the base dimension, means one is L, one is B, and H is given that this one. So student, now put the all values here. 4 into 3 plus B into H means 3 into 2.5 plus H means 2.5 into 4 minus L into B means 4 into 3. So student, 2, 4 3 is 12 plus 25 3 is 75, 25 4 is 100 minus 12. So now student, we have to solve this. 12 and 10, 22, 22 plus 7, 29.5 minus 12. So 29 to the 58 means this is coming 59 minus 12. So we can write it 9 minus 2 is 7 and 5 minus 1 is 4. This is coming students 47 centimeter square. This is coming now student 47. This is meter square. So the last question is this one. Base dimension is given and this is covered with all the four sides, but only the base is left. So we have used this formula. Surface area of the shelter is means we have found the total surface area minus we have subtracted minus L into B. Okay student, now this exercise is finished. Now we will start student next exercise. Next exercise is based on the curved surface area and total surface area of a cylinder. So now student, pause the video and note it down. So I am starting the new one exercise. Now student, the second exercise is based on the CSA and TSA of a cylinder. So I have told you earlier that there is a cylinder. Suppose the cylinder is like this. This is the height of this cylinder and this is the radius of the cylinder. So student, CSA means the cover up. Cover up means like this. When we are covering this one, this is structure. So CSA of cylinder, you can write it 2 pi r into h, means circumference of the circle multiplied by h. So we can find CSA. CSA means student curved surface area, means that parts which we are covering. So this is called CSA of cylinder. And then after TSA of cylinder students, TSA of cylinder means TSA of cylinder is like this. TSA means student total surface area. Total surface area means the covered area and then top and bottom area also, means two circles are also there. It means it is we have to add pi r square plus pi r square we have to add, because the area of a circle is pi r square. So there are two circles, so we will add it 2 pi r square. So what we will get 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. So we can take 2 pi r common, so h plus r. So student, this is the formula for finding the total surface area of a cylinder. This is the formula for CSA of cylinder. This is the total surface area of a cylinder. Now student, first question we will start it here. Now exercise 13.2 is this. The CSA of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is given. Question number 1. CSA of cylinder. It is given that students 88 cm square. It is coming 88 cm square, and height of the cylinder is given that height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder student, it is given that 14 cm. Now in this question what we have to find? We have to find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Means the base of the cylinder we have to find the diameter. First of all we have to find the value of r. R means called radius, and then we will multiply it by 2. That will be a diameter of the cylinder. So what we have to do? CSA of cylinder is given. So we can use the formula CSA of cylinder is equal to student 2 pi r h. So CSA of cylinder, it is coming 88 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r into h. So what we have to do? 77 7 to the 14 22 2 ja 44, 44 2 ja 88. So student, we can cut it like this also. So R is coming 1 centimeter. We have to find the base diameter. So diameter is equal to, student, we know that 2 into radius. 2 into radius means 2 into 1. This is coming 2 centimeter. So the base diameter of this cylinder is, student, this is coming 2 centimeter. Now student, the second question is, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Now student, it is closed cylindrical tank. Closed means, you have to know that closed means it is means and upper and down part is also closed is there. It means we have to find the total surface area. So student, we can say that closed cylinder tank, if you will, अगर आप लोगों को कभी भी पता चले कि this is called a closed cylinder tank, closed means this is like this, means this is filled with top and bottom also. This is called closed. Closed means this is called total surface area of a cylinder, students. So in this question, what we have to find? Closed cylinder tank of height is 1 meter. Is given that question number 2. Height of closed cylindrical tank. It is given that, student, 1 meter, and base diameter is given that 140 centimeter. Base diameter is given that 140 centimeter. So we have to find first, student, radius. Radius we know that 140 by 2, that will be 70 centimeter. So the, student, base radius R is given that 70 centimeter. From a metal sheet, how many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? So how many, now student, in this question what is given that, it is given that 140 centimeter and it is radius means 70 centimeter and the height is given that 1 meter. So we can convert it into 100 centimeter also. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, students. So in this question, what we have to find? We have to find the how many square meters of the sheet are required. Means how many square meter of sheet are required, means, student, this is a closed cylindrical tank, means we have to find the total surface area of this cylinder. So student, TSA of tank is, TSA of tank is equal to, we have written the formula 2 pi R H plus R. So we have to put all the values here. So we can find it 2 into 22 upon 7 into R is 70, H plus R, H is 100 plus this is 70. So students, 7 times the 70 we can cut it here. So 22 to the 44 into 170 into 10, that is coming 1700. Now we have to calculate it. 0 0, 17 4 ja 68, 17 4 ja 68 and 6 74. So students, after the calculating this, it is coming 74800 centimeter square. So student, if you want to write it in the form of meter square, so you have to divide it by 100 into 100. When we will divide it to 100 into 100 means 0 0 0, that is coming 7.48 meter square. So the area of the total sheet is 7.48 meter square. Now student, you can pause the video and note it down. After this we will start new question. Now student, the next question is question number 3. A metal pipe is 77 meter long. Make a metal pipe is like this. Suppose this is 77 meter long. Length of 77 meter long means it is the height also, you can write it. Sorry, 77 centimeter long is this, and the inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. So student, now inner diameter is given, means we have to make a one more cylinder also here. Inner diameter of the cross section means like this part is 4 centimeter and the outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Student, now that this diameter is 4 centimeter, so the radius will be, we can write it 2 centimeter, and this is total is 4.4 centimeter. It means the radius we can write it 2.2 centimeter, because radius is the half of this. So student, what we have to find? We have to find inner curved surface area. Inner means, student, this one. So what we have to do? This is question number 3. So inner curved surface area, we can write it 2 pi r h. So student, how we can find it 2 pi r h? Here we can write it, diameter is given that is equal to 4 centimeter. So radius will be 2 centimeter. So student, we can put it in the formula 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is given that r is 2 into h is 77. So we can cut it 7 11 ja, and so after this we have solved it 2 into 22 into 22. So I have solved in my paper this one. So this is coming students 968 centimeter square. So the inner curved surface area is coming student 968 centimeter square. This is the first part. Now in the second part, what we have to do? We have to find the outer curved surface area. In this outer curved surface area, how we can find it student? Outer curved surface area is equal to again 2 pi r h. We can write it here 2 into 22 upon 7. Now the radius is student here, this is 4.4, the radius it will be 2.2 into 77. So we can cut it 7 11 ja. So what is the value is coming? This is coming student 1064.80 centimeter square. You have to calculate it and you can find the answer easily, 1064.80 centimeter square. Now student, the third part is the most important part. Third part is the total surface area. So student, how we can find the total surface area? Total surface area means students, the outer surface area, outer CSA, we have found it. Inner CSA, we have found it. We have to find this also because the metal will be there also. So student, how we can find it? We can find it. Total area is pi. This is, suppose this is R1 and this is R2. So we can write it pi R2 square minus R1 square. So student, what we can do in third part? TSA. TSA, how we can find it? TSA means CSA of first plus CSA of second plus this area also. How we can find this area means this will be a hollow type, means outer area minus inner area. So we can do it 22 by 7. Outer area is pi R1 square minus R2 square. So the maximum is radius is 2.2 square minus this is the 2.0 square. So student, we can find it easily. So again 968 plus so student, it is 968 plus 1064.80. This is pi R1 square minus R2 square, means this part we have to find. But this part is on both sides students, so we have to multiply it by 2 also. 2 we have to multiply it because this is the area of this side also and this side also, na? Means 2 sides are there, so we can do it like this, 44 upon 7. In this we can use the identity also, a plus b, a minus b. First of all, we have to add it 4.2 and this will come 0.2. So student, now we have to add it. I have added it here. So I am writing the answer only. This is 2032.80 plus 7 6 are 42. We can cut it here. So this is coming student 5.28. So after adding this, it is coming 2038.08 centimeter square. So this is coming student 2038.08 centimeter square. So students, we have done this question like this. So we have to find the total surface area. In total surface area, we have to add this surface area plus this surface area plus this area minus this area. But it is of 2 sides, so we have multiplied by 2 here. So we can write it plus, I am writing it here again, 2 into this one. So answer is coming 2038.08 centimeter square. So student, we have to do all these questions like this. So, and question number 4 is same as like this. Roller is given and it takes 500 complete revolution. So you have to find the CSA and then multiply it by 500. Similarly, in fifth question, you can do it. A pillar is given there, cylindrical pillar. So student, question number 4, 5 and 6, you can do it yourself, and then after, in the next video, I will start from the 7th question, and then we can solve the next question also. So students, you can pause the video and note it down, and after this, we will start the new one video, students. So students, thank you for watching this video. Thanks.